3,
开始。
2, 1. So, good evening. We came here to visit Zeron card clothing wear industry, and we want to see technology, the modern technology of Zeron card clothing and Blue Diamond part. So, I am giving you my written book. This book is a specification of textile engineering, and this book is reference book of government board, educational board. So I am giving you, and here I came to visit your industry and technical item, technical terms and condition, and your surrounding this office and factory. So I am happy to you given me invitation. That's why I am inviting you to DTG Textile Fair, and with Mr. Naik, greetings. He is my close younger brother, so I am grateful to him also. Given invitation me, and I got visa. So thank you so much.